The first type of comparison that we have is posesión, when we want to compare what people have. Now the form that we're going to use, the formula that we'll use when we want to compare possessions is name plus a form of the verb tener plus más or menos, depending on whether they have more or less, plus a noun or the thing that is had, plus que, plus the name of the second person. So in the first example, él is the first name, he. Tiene, that's tener in the el form. Más libros, that's the substantive or the noun, the books. Que yo. So él tiene más libros que yo. He has more books than I have. Next example is Paco y yo. Conjugate tener to match Paco y yo. We have tenemos menos trabajos que ellos. We have less work than them. Paco y yo tenemos menos trabajos que ellos. Next, María y José. Conjugate tener to match María y José. And we have María y José tienen más niños que mis padres is the second person. Now go ahead and give it a try. Write a couple examples down and make sure that you have the idea of it.